औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। A warm welcome to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Ghalib High School, Bellary. Dear students, let us discuss today Indian foreign policy. In this lesson, we'll discuss 1-mark questions and fill in the blanks. We'll discuss the fill in the blanks, children. The Indian foreign policy was specially formed by dash. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2. The policy of keeping safe distance from both the power blocks of the world is known as dash movement. Answer is non-aligned movement. Third blank. During pre-independent period, India was under dash imperial occupation. Answer is British. Let us start now 1-mark question, children. When was Panchashila Principle signed? Answer is 1954. Question number 2. Between whom the Panchashila Principle signed? Answer: between Jawaharlal Nehru and Chou En-lai. Question number 3. The world was divided into two powerful blocs after the end of the Second World War. What were they? Answer: the democratic countries were under the USA and the communist countries were led by USSR. Next question, children. What is imperialism? Answer: imperialism is an attempt by a foreign country to take over another sovereign country with the intention of ruling it for its personal gain. Question number 5. No corner of world shall have imperialism. Who declared this? Answer is India. Question number 6. Who was the president of African National Congress? Answer: Nelson Mandela. Question number 7. What is disarmament? Answer: the process of elimination of specific arms step by step. Question number 8. What does the Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates? Answer: a foreign policy that aims at establishing international peace and cooperation. Question number 9. What is foreign policy? A policy to regulate one country's interaction with other countries. Question number 10. How does foreign policy aid a country to develop? Answer. Question number 10 is, one more time I will explain here. Question number 10. How does foreign policy aid a country to development? Answer: foreign policy helps in national security, enriching national economy and help to check the power of enemy countries. Question number 11. What do you mean by a sovereign country? Answer: the country which is not under any other country's control, either for internal or external issues. Question number 12. Who was an architect of India's foreign policy? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 13. Who signed the Panchashila Principles? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru and Chou En-lai. Is meant by non-alignment policy? Answer: functioning independently without joining any powerful blocs, that is democratic and communist bloc. What is apartheid? Answer: an attempt by a race of people to subjugate another race, or racial discrimination practice in South Africa is called apartheid. Number 16. Who is called as African Gandhi? Answer: Nelson Mandela. Question number 17. Which article of the Indian Constitution advocates for a foreign policy? Answer, Article 51. Question number 18. When Jawaharlal Nehru given radio speech about foreign policy for the first time? Answer, September 7, 1946. This is the last question, children. In which conferences India declared no corner of world shall have imperialism? Answer, in New Delhi and Bandung in the year 1955. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Please take care of yourself, children. Allah Hafiz.